Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use charging availability feature on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the settings icon right here at the top of the screen. From the list of settings, you can swipe to the left and you need to find here EV. Let's find EV with this car and the plugger. If you tap EV, you've got here the list of all EV settings that you can use on this car, and one of them is really useful, charging availability. Let's keep this enabled. If you see this orange logo, this orange light, it means that this feature is enabled, so it's really important. And basically, this function are using the internet connection to check if a charger is currently being used by another car. It's really useful because you know that the charger that you are heading up is useful and it's ready to use, so I highly recommend to have this feature enabled. It will save you a lot of time. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.